May the Lord cause you to flourish, both you and your children. Psalm 115 verses 14. Hello beautiful family, warmest welcome back again to the Lovystouch channel. I trust you're doing so well and thank you so much for coming back. Let's enhance our Abelewalls business by making this delicious coconut Abelewalls. Everyone that you make this for is going to be at your beck and call. This has been a highly popular requested video, so here we go. Let's get started, fam. So for my ingredients, I have here 1.5 of coconut, and I will also use 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. If in Ghana you need soft flour, and this is the cup that I use to measure. And so that I have 4 cups of milk powder, 3 cups of condensed milk, and 1/4 liter of water, and all the ingredients will be listed down below in the description box with its right quantity, okay? And not forgetting our caps to shape our Abelewalls, and of course the chewing sticks that makes it all stand out, which is the sakudia. Okay, so right now we're going to cut our coconut into smaller pieces so that we can blend it well. All right, and I'm not going to let go of this fresh coconut water. It is so refreshing. And please note, if you do not have a powerful blender, you need to grate it with your grater, okay, before you blend it. Once that is cut nicely, go ahead and wash it again and add 1/4 liter of water and blend it all up nicely. So right now I'll go ahead and just drain out the milk, and there's one question that will come in mind, or you might want to ask, Lovystouch, can I just go in the shop and buy myself coconut milk just to skip all this part? My answer is absolutely yes, but it is always best to use the fresh ingredients as it has no preservatives or any other chemicals in it. Okay, so yes, you go ahead and strain all the milk out. Also see that the milk that I'm getting here is not entirely white, and that is because I did not peel off the skin of the coconut. But if you so wish to get that purely white coconut milk, then go ahead and peel off the coconut before you cut them into pieces and blend. All right, but this recipe does not really require you to peel it off, because it just does not add anything or subtract anything from the taste of your coconut. Okay, and you can see that we also got a little bit of coconut oil on top, which is going to make it absolutely silky and nice. All that we have to do right now is to warm the coconut milk up for about 3 minutes on a very low heat. Okay, by warming it up, the coconut oil is also going to melt in this amazing milk, and it's going to be so lovely. Okay, so once that everything is warm for about 3 minutes, I'll go ahead and then introduce my all-purpose flour or soft flour. All right, do not worry about it creating lumps at all. Once you have your heat on the very lowest, you go ahead and whisk it very well, and everything is going to be mixed so well. Okay, 2 to 3 minutes of mixing it well. Everything is well mixed with no traces of lumps at all. So it's now time for me to add my milk powder, and again you want to go ahead and mix it very well, just so that it does not create any lumps. All right, bear in mind to keep the heat at its lowest. Okay, it does not need to boil, just to warm it up. Okay, now I've added my condensed milk, and I'm going ahead to mix everything well together Now look how creamy it is. So flavorful, and it smells amazing. We are done with the mixture and we're about to put it in our cups. Look how easy and simple it is. But to make sure that there is no absolutely lumps anywhere in your ice cream, you go ahead and strain it for the second time and you are good to go. As you can see, this ice cream was absolutely super smooth. Okay, so let's get the cups ready and we are ready to get this ice cream done. Making this at home just for your family, use any form that you prefer, okay? But if you're doing it for commercial purposes, go to the market and get yourself some similar, cups that will shape your Abelewalls well. It does not necessarily means that it should be exactly like this. Find yourself larger cups, smaller cups, it does not really matter, okay? Just make it your own way. All right, so we're done and we're putting our sticks into it and we are about to put it in the freezer. You can freeze this for 6 hours the same day and have it, but I love to make mine overnight, okay, just so that it will be frozen very well and it's enjoyable that way. Okay, so because I have lots of other things in the fridge, I'm going to cover it just so that it does not exchange aromas with the things that I have in the freezer. Okay, please do not throw your coconut chaff or the grains away. You can make coconut oil out of that. If you want to see a recipe of that, please comment down below and I will upload that for you. The day after, and we are getting the ice cream ready right now, and today I just decided to do something very different because I had lots of chocolate in the house due to the previous holiday season. I did not just know what to do with them. We originally planned to make some hot chocolate tea with that, but I also thought of dipping my ice cream in a chocolate sauce which was a brilliant idea that I want to share to you. If you want to make your ice cream business stand out, you can do this and you are going to wow your customers, fam. It was simply delicious. I imagine the chocolate bars that we have in Ghana, this will be perfect. So grab some and melt it and dip your ice cream in it, fam. You're going to love it and your customers are going to be so wowed and they will prefer your ice cream to anyone else's. Okay, just look how beautiful these came out, so silky. Everyone that tried the previous Abelewalls recipe came with a review that it wasn't icy as to the other Abelewalls recipe they've tried, and that is the real deal. Okay, you do not want your Abelewalls to be icy. That is no. Okay, just try this and you're going to love this as much. Grow your business, flourish. This year is yours, so make sure you try this and add it to all the Abelewalls recipe that I've shared here, and you are going to love it as much. Okay, so very much, family, for watching right to the end. Please be sure to give me a like, comment down below, let me know what you think about the recipe. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please be sure to come on board, subscribe, and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much once again for watching, and just know that you are so beautiful and precious just the way you are. See you in my next one.